Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gates and was with student number F102124 and 2. And I'm going to present a novel that I read for the extensive reading final exam. And the book or the novel I chose title is All of Us Friends, written by Amanda Foody and Christine Lane Herman. It was first published in 2021 and belongs to the young adult fantasy genre. This novel mixes dark magic, high-stake competition, political tension, and moral gray characters. It feels intense, mysterious, and a bit of violence, but very engaging to read. The story is set in the city of Levernan, a place where magical families hold great power. Every generation there is a deadly competition called the Tournament of Champions. The powerful families are forced to send one teenager to fight in a magical battle to the death, and the winner's family gain control of high magic, the rest and the most powerful type of magic. This year, every becomes chaotic because a book exposing the truth about the tournament goes viral, making the entire world pay attention. Reporters, politicians, and outsiders starting interfering, turning the tournament into a public spectacle. And the story focuses on your main champions. Alistair Louis, feared by everyone because his family is known for producing powerful but ruthless champion. Isabel McCausland, a talented spellcaster who is unexpectedly chosen by her family. Gavin Griff, who comes from the weakest family and is desperate to prove himself. And the last one, Bryony Turban, who believes she was destined to be a hero and wants to change the system. As the tournament begins, alliances forms, relationships and secrets are revealed instead of simply killing each other. Some of the champions start questioning the fairness of the traditions. They begin to wonder whether they can break the cycle and change their destiny, even if it means betraying the expectation of their own family. The story ends with a major twist and set up the conflict for the second book. The novel has several important characters, but the main ones are Alistair Louis, Isabel McCausland, Gavin Griff, and Bryony Turban. Alistair Louis, a quiet, mysterious boy who feels pressured by his family's dark reputations. Isabel McCausland, a confident and skilled but secretly struggling with guilt and fear. Gavin Griff, angry and frustrated attached because everyone underestimated him. And the last one is Brainy Turban, determined, ambitious and confident he can be a hero. My favorite character is Alistair Loo. Even though people see him as a villain, he is actually vulnerable and misunderstood. Even though people see him as a villain, even though people see him as a villain, he is actually vulnerable and misunderstood. He carries emotional pressure from his family and constantly battles with his inner conflict. Whether to be the monster people expect or to be the person he truly wants, his character growth makes the story deeper and more emotional. The novel explores several important themes. First, powerful and control. The tournament shows how power can be inherited, absorbed, or used to pressure the younger generation. Second, identity and expectation. Its champions struggle between being who they truly are versus who their family want them to be. And the last, morality and choices. The book questions whether people are born as villains or shaped into villains by society. It shows that everyone has both good and bad inside them. Personally, I really enjoy reading All of Us a Flying. I like how intense the atmosphere is and how its character has a complicated personality. The story makes you question who the real villain actually is because every character has a reason for their action. What I really like is the world building. The magic system is unique with different types of spell, curses, and artifacts. And the political tension also feels realistic. I also like that the characters are moral gray, not simply good or evil. However, one thing I didn't like is that some part feels slow because the book switches between many perspectives. But overall, it is still very engaging. And the biggest lesson I learned from this book is that your identity is not determined by other people. Even if other expects you to be a villain, you still have the choice to decide who you want to become. I would definitely recommend this novel to others, especially readers who enjoy fantasy with dark themes, complex character, and emotional conflict. Thank you for your attention. Maybe just all about my person's novel, and thank you.